Hello there, good afternoon and welcome to day 16 of the Guitar Could Go Hobby Wrong sessions that I'm doing at the moment. Today it's a bit of a special one actually for us. I'm going to dedicate this tune to not only a great family friend of ours, but a fantastic folk music icon that really got me going to all this when I first heard him actually play live. I'd like to introduce on the smaller screen Ted Crum. Ted is the father of Matt and Joe Crum, who are bandmates of mine back in a few years ago, and he sadly passed away 2 weeks ago today of COVID-19 related illness. He's fondly missed, but particularly from the band, from my point of view, the band I played in was called the QP, and that consisted of myself and Laurel here on the flute, and also his sons Matt and Joe. Now when we first started out, Ted was really instrumental in more ways than one in giving us guidance, encouragement and support when it came to when we first played on big stages on the UK folk festival scene. Such was his encouragement, if you like, that we stuck at it for so long, and all of us are still playing in one project or another to this day. So it's fondly missed, so I think today we're going to play something a bit more gentle than you've heard the last 2 days, if that's okay. This tune is called History Man. The QP, or the Quarter Pounders as we were first called, used to play this back in the day. History Man is a beautiful tune written by the brilliant Andy Cutting, and I've persuaded Laurel here to come out of QP retirement to accompany me on this tune. So I really hope you enjoy this, and I hope you enjoy the weekend, and love to see Matt and Joe.